the sound of your heartbeat. Your pulse is pushing against me. I'm good when you are around. You keep me warm in your bloodstream. You keep me calm when you breathe in. Now I don't know what I've done. I've been trying, but not enough. Please do not give up on us. I'm a wolf howling in the moonlight, calling out like a fool, howling on your doorstep, calling out. I hate that everything's different. My clothes, my haircut is different, but still I'm feeling the same. What is eternal about love? If there's a way to turn it off, you know, so show me the way. But if try